Goodman HVAC systems use error codes to indicate potential issues. Error code E4 signifies high discharge temperature protection. This safety feature activates when the compressor's discharge line temperature exceeds safe limits, typically between 250 to 300 degrees Celsius, 121 to 149 degrees Celsius. This prevents the compressor from overheating and sustaining damage. The code is common in Goodman AC units and heat pumps. This error indicates the compressor is working harder than it should, often due to refrigerant issues, airflow obstructions, or electrical faults. As of April 2026, newer Goodman units have integrated advanced diagnostics and can send alerts to the user before full shutdowns. Diagnosing an E4 error involves checking several key areas. First, check the refrigerant charge. Low refrigerant levels cause the compressor to overheat. Ideal charge levels are model-specific, usually between 2 to 5 pounds for residential units. Second, ensure proper airflow by cleaning the condenser coils and checking for obstructions. Aim for at least 400 CFM per ton. Third, inspect electrical components like capacitors, contactors, and fan motors. Faulty components can trigger E4. Finally, remember the system enters lockout mode after multiple attempts, requiring a manual reset by powering off the unit for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember that experts say 60% of the errors stem from improper installation. If refrigerant levels are the issue, HVAC technician forums report a 70% success rate for DIY fixes.